To download and install the Canon i-SENSYS lbp613cdw printer Wi-Fi driver on Windows, follow the steps below. On the printer, press the menu button. Use the arrow keys to navigate to Preferences and press OK. Select Network and press OK. Choose Wireless LAN Setup and press OK. Select SSID setting and press OK. Choose Search and press OK. The printer will search for available networks. Select your desired network, SSID, and press OK. Enter your network password using the alphanumeric buttons and press OK. Confirm the password and press OK. The printer will attempt to connect to the network. If successful, a confirmation message will appear. Ensure that your mobile phone or iPhone connected to the wireless network. Open the App Store on your mobile phone, download and install the Canon PRINT, example, Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. Open the Canon PRINT app on your mobile device. Follow the on-screen instructions. Tap on the plus icon to add a new printer. The app will automatically search for available printers on the network. Select your Canon i-SENSYS lbp613cdw printer from the list of detected printers. Once you have selected or added your printer, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process.